Good morning, guys. How you doing? So I'm finally in Georgia. I flew to Czech Republic and yesterday I came back. So I'm finally here and I'm gonna continue doing my travel vlogs. So yeah, so I hope you're gonna catch up with me and you're gonna follow our journey. And our next stop is gonna be Turkey. So I hope you're gonna like it and see you soon. See ya. Look at this puppy. Hello, puppy. Puppy. Hello, puppy. Hello. You're beautiful. You're a beauty. You are a beautiful boy or girl, who knows? Hello! Beauty girl or boy. You're adorable. You're adorable. Beautiful girl. Beautiful! Hello, sir. Hi. He doesn't like that. Hello, guys. So our plans slightly change because we have to repair rubber bushings in our Jeep. So we are looking for somebody to repair it. We are right now in Kutaisi in one MJ Motors car service repair and we are seeing if they gonna repair it. So yeah, so we will see. You can see it's right there. And we will see how long it will take and etc. And we want to head to Turkey, but maybe before going to Turkey we're gonna visit Poti and Batumi cities here in Georgia. So yeah, so let's see, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated. See ya. Hello, guys. So we just went to MJ Motors in Kutaisi and yeah, they left the car and they found out that the bushing is not okay, but they don't have the parts for Jeep, so yeah, so they're not gonna do it or we would have to wait. So we just decided that we're not gonna repair it now and we're gonna repair it once we get home. Probably we're gonna repair it in the Jeep service. So that's the Jeep update. And now we are on our way to Poti city, then Batumi, and then I think we're gonna cross the borders. But I don't want to cross the borders at Batumi. I want to try out like a different border crossing, just because in Batumi there's like a lot of people, so probably we're gonna try a different one. So that's the update, guys, and yeah, and see ya. Hello. Oh. I can bite. Hello. Hello, good girl. Hello. Hello. This is Doggos present. This is birthday Doggos. This is birthday Doggos. Maybe. Oh.
This Siri, really? Put very one Siri. Yeah.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye. It was nice to meet you. Yeah, lovely. Bye bye. This is really cool. Waiting for the food. Hop, 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 hop. And also in the back there are some. Ah, no. Hop, hop. Yeah. So that one is kind of aggressive towards like a smaller ones. They are kind of scared of him, so I try to give the food also to the smaller ones, but it's kind of mission impossible. But yeah, that's a day of feeding the doggos here, and look how many we have here. Yeah, awesome. The biggest cuddlers are right here. These are the biggest cuddlers. See ya. See ya. He is so cute. He is so cute. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello. You are a cutie pie. You are a cutie pie. A cutie pie. So. Hop. Sorry. Hop. 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 That's all, guys. They are really nice, these ones. They are not gonna... And they are nice to puppy as well, that's cool. And I think that's the last portion of cheese, and then we're gonna have to move on. There's also another dog. Hop. Hop. Whoa, yeah, big boy. A big boy. Big boy. Ah. Bozo. It's really big. Ah. Big boy. He didn't. Hop. And that's the last one, guys. Yeah, I think maybe that's maybe the father. I don't know, but this one isn't that big. Maybe it's the father of this small one. I think this is like the mother. So yeah. Oh. You are so cute. You are so cute. And I think you have ears after your mom. Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. You are so cute. You are so cute, puppy. Hello, guys. So this doggo, he was sleeping all night by the jeep. He is extremely cute and extremely nice, and I wish he would have his own home. So I hope he's gonna find his humans. He is so sweet. And I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and I hope you enjoy watching my daily vlogs. I hope you are discovering the places with me as well, and that you enjoy exploring different cultures, different countries. And yeah, I'm very glad that you watch my vlogs, and I thank you very much for your support. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye. Look at him.
Jak jsou ty zvířátka prostě hodný.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go, but he's super sweet. He's still by our jeep all the time, and he's just with us. He's really good guy.
Sweetheart.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh,
Beauty.
he's so good boy. He's such a good boy. He's so cool. He is. I wish he would have some home where he could, belong to, where he could go and be with his people. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. So bye bye, guy. Bye bye.